making some slime! Over here, I've got some clear glue for the base. And I've got some shaving cream to help make fluffy. To make it a butter slime, we have some blue, red, white, black, green, and yellow clay to, give it some color as well. And it came in this bag. So I have some cornstarch over here to help make it pearlescent or pearly. And I also have some baking soda over here to help the saline solution activate. And I put them in bags because I didn't want to do dishes after this. I got some saline solution to help activate it. Alrighty, I have a bowl over here to put all my stuff into it. And I have a fork over here to mix it and to get the clumps out. First, I added half of the container with some clear glue. I use clear glue because when you're using it, you can see the ingredients that you're putting inside of it. Next, I'm going to be putting some shaving cream in. This is exciting. Oh, it's like a mountain. I'm going to smash the mountain and mix it. So thick. So I mixed it all together and let's check the consistency. Perfect, no clumps. Put in some baking soda, and you don't need too much, you need about a pinch. So I'm just gonna... So now you have to mix it in because you don't want clumps of baking soda in your perfect slime. Make sure you do it either outside or on like some newspapers or something because this part gets a little messy. Now let's add some saline solution. You don't need too much, you need a few squirts. Now I'm just gonna start with a few drops and you'll notice the consistency gets pretty thick. Poke it to make sure it's the right consistency and you don't over-activate it. I think it's almost ready because it's really coming together. Look, guys! Oh, that's really sticky. Just a side note, clear glue takes a little longer than white glue does to activate. Whoa guys, we'll take a look at that. Not bad for my first time. It's a sunny day, the skies are clear, so I decided we are going to be using some blue. I had to use some lotion to soften up the clay because it was really thick, but now it's time for the part that you guys have all been waiting for. Look at this rich blue color, guys. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you the butter effect. So everyone, I really like my slime and I can't wait to play with it later, but I promised my mom I'd clean up if I made slime, so we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh wait, I totally forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, click that red box, hit those notification bells, and we'll see you next time. Bye!